Welcome to my honest review of Shirtinator. If you're considering using this platform for your dropshipping business, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire experience, starting with the website's layout and design. Shirtinator offers a wide range of customizable products, including t-shirts, hoodies, and other apparel. It's a print-on-demand platform, which means you can create your own designs and sell them without needing to hold inventory. First, let's talk about the user interface. When you first land on Shirtinator's website, you'll find it relatively easy to navigate. The main page clearly showcases the types of products available for customization. You can choose from apparel, accessories, and even home decor items. The site is responsive, and everything loads quickly, which is always a plus when you're working with an e-commerce platform. The design tool is intuitive and user-friendly. You can upload your own images or use their design templates. One feature that stands out is the real-time preview of your designs, which gives you a clear idea of what the final product will look like. The process is straightforward. Select the product, customize it, and then add it to your store. Shirtinator also offers a mock-up generator, which is great for showcasing your products in your online store. In terms of dropshipping, Shirtinator handles everything from production to shipping. Once a customer places an order, Shirtinator prints the item and ships it directly to them. This makes it easy for sellers to focus on marketing without worrying about inventory or logistics. The platform integrates with several e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy, so you can easily set up your online store and start selling. However, it's not all perfect. One potential downside is the pricing. While Shirtinator offers competitive pricing for print-on-demand services, the cost per product can add up quickly, especially if you're selling at a lower markup. Additionally, some users have reported that the shipping times can be slower than expected, so be sure to communicate this to your customers. Overall, Shirtinator is a solid option for anyone looking to get into dropshipping or start a print-on-demand business. It offers an easy-to-use platform, a wide range of customizable products, and reliable order fulfillment. Just make sure to consider the cost and shipping time when deciding if it's the right fit for your business. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of other dropshipping platforms.